Assalamu students. Welcome to the 13th video lecture of class 3 English. Today we will be solving the question answers of the wooden bowl. These question answers will be solved on your neat notebooks, and if you look at that here, the answers are provided here. You can copy them from your given worksheets for this video too. So for the first one, first question says, where did the family live? And for that, the family lived in a small town in Germany. Okay, what did Manfred do for a living? The Manfred was a carpenter. He made furniture and did some carving. And who was Tekla? And for that, Tekla was Manfred's wife, Wilhelm's mother, and Kurt's daughter-in-law. And for the fourth question, why did Kurt's hands shake? Uh, as we know that Kurt was the grandfather of the boy. He was really old. His hands shook. Kurt's hands used to shake because he was old. And for the last one, why was Wilhelm making a wooden bowl? And for that one, Wilhelm was making a wooden bowl to give his parents when they grow old. Now these question answers will be solved on your neat notebooks. Copy them from your given worksheets, and until next video, Allah Hafiz.